all of you, dear kids. So happy to see you. Welcome to Bal Gopal Vatika classes, and we will start the class with prayer as usual, as always. So today, Subhashri will start the class with prayer. Start.
Om Nam Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Nam Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Nam Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Divirandasya Jnananjalakaya Jakshuruttamyen Tasmai Shri Gurave Om Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Srimate Vedanta Swami Tinamini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Atme Vedanta Swami Tinamini Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharini Shunya Sheshi Shunyavadi Pacha Prasharini Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare
ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. All others, please mute. When one is singing, talking, then all others will be on mute. Subhashri, why you have switched off your camera? Subhashri, very nice attempt you did, but few mistakes were there. Very prominent mistakes. So, Durga, are you ready? Durga, can you recite the prayers once again? Clearly. And Subhashri, you listen. Subhashri, आप ध्यान से सुनिए और ध्यान दीजिए कहाँ कहाँ पर गलती हुई. हाँ.
हरे कृष्णा. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. ओम अज्ञानान्तिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकय चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने. नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा.
वेरी नाइस दुर्गा. तो सुभाश्री, आपने देखा ओम अज्ञान तिमिरांधस्य ज्ञानांजन शलाकया चक्षुर उन्मिलितम येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. इसमें ही आपका ज्यादा मिस्टेक था. ओके, टेक केयर, ध्यान रखिए, अगली बार से मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. तो आज हम स्टोरी सेक्शन में स्टोरी ले रहे हैं, स्टोरी ऑफ किंग अमरीश. अमरीश महाराज एक बहुत बड़े सम्राट थे. I will start the story. Story is little longer, but यदि आप concentrate करेंगे, then you can learn so many things from this story. Okay? Pavan Aditya. Pavan Aditya, new child. Pavan. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Pavan Aditya. अनम्यूट कीजिए. आज आप फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं?
नहीं मैम, सेकंड टाइम.
सेकेंड टाइम. ओके. आपका नाम पवन है? योर नेम इज पवन, योर फादर्स नेम इज पवन.
My name is Pawan Aditya.
Oh, nice. Nice name. Okay, listen carefully, all of you. Every story, we are learning some lesson. So from this story also, we are going to learn some very important lesson. The lesson is so important. Usually what we do, we learn the lesson from the story in the end. But we will start this story with the lesson. What lesson we are going to learn? Hmm? This story would teach us about sense control. How to control our senses. How we can develop devotion in the lotus feet of Supreme Lord. King Amrish fixed his mind on the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. Now, two things we are going to learn. How to develop those two things by doing simple practices. I will ask you after telling you how is it difficult to do all these things. You will say, no, this is so simple, so easy. What King Amrish was doing? King Amrish engaged his words in describing the abode of the Lord. How beautiful is Lord. All these things he is describing all the time. Krishna Katha. His hands in cleansing the temple of the Lord. What was his hands doing all the time? Cleaning the temple of the Lord or doing some seva for the Lord. His ears in hearing the pastimes of the Lord. What his ears were doing all the time? Hearing the pastimes of the Lord. His eyes, all these are our senses, na? You all know our five senses.
Sense organs.
Yes, all his senses he was putting in the service of the Lord. His eyes in seeing the form of the Lord. His body in touching the body of the devotees. You cannot touch the body of the Lord. It is so pure, so we cannot touch na directly. So what we can touch? Body of the devotees. His nostrils in smelling the flavors of the flowers offered to the lotus feet of the Lord. His tongue in tasting the tulsi leaves offered to Lord. His legs in traveling to the holy places, and his head in offering obeisances to the Lord. So, what we have to do? We have to engross all our senses in the service of the Lord. Head, our eyes, nose, ears, hands, feet, everything. So, King Amrish was doing this. All these qualities made him a supreme devotee of the Lord. All these qualities made him supreme devotee of the Lord. It is so easy to become the supreme devotee of the Lord.
Yes,
Isn't?
Mataji.
Yes. Gradually, this devotion, by this devotion, he gave up all material desires. When we are all the time thinking about the Lord, then automatically all the material desires will vanish away. Being very pleased by the unalloyed devotion of Maharaj Ambrish, God gave the king his disc. You know the name of God's disc?
No, Mataji.
Sudarshan. Disc is, what is disc? Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra. He gave the king his disc. Why? To protect the king from all type of dangers all the time. All the time he appointed the Sudarshan to protect King Amrish. Why? Because he was doing so much seva, unalloyed bhakti. It is so easy. We all can do if we want. Maharaj Amrish, along with his wife, now what happened next? He was doing all the things with his senses, and now one day what happened? Maharaj Amrish, along with his wife, observed the vow of Ekadashi for 1 year. For full 1 year, what they were doing, both the husband and wife, King Amrish and his wife were doing Ekadashi, fasting.
Means
When after 2 Ekadashis come in 1 month, one in lunar and one in dark side, then in those Ekadashis, usually devotees do fasting. So, King Amrish also was doing Ekadashi fasting for 1 year continuously. And in the month of Kartika, like your name is Kartika, there is 1 month also, Kartik month,
Kartik
very
month.
auspicious. God is very happy in this month. In the month of Kartik, after observing that vow for 1 year, after observing a fast for 3 nights, and after bathing in the Yamuna, Maharaj Amrish worshipped the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, in Madhuvana. He was great devotee, so he did puja and fasting, everything he did for Godhead Hari. Following the regulative principles of Mahabhisheka, then he did Mahabhisheka. Bathing the Lord, deities of Lord is called Mahabhishek. Maharaj Amrish performed the bathing ceremony for the deity of Lord Krishna with all paraphernalia. Have you ever seen Abhishekam?
Yes.
They put so many things, milk,
attended.
curd, Ganga Jal, honey, so many juices, and they bathe the Lord with all these things. And then he dressed the deity with fine clothing. फिर क्या करते हैं जब नहलाते हैं भगवान को? What we do?
कपड़े पहनाते हैं.
वस्त्र पहनाते हैं भगवान को, सुंदर सुंदर पोशाक पहनाते हैं. फाइन क्लोथिंग, ऑर्नामेंट्स, आभूषण, श्रृंगार करते हैं तो उनको अलंकार पहनाए जाते हैं. फ्रेग्रेंट फ्लावर, garlands, and other paraphernalia for worship of Lord. With attention and devotion, he worshipped Krishna and all the greatly fortunate Brahmanas who were free from material desires. Thereafter, Maharaj Amrish satisfied all the guests. Then on the big days, what kings do? They invite lot of Brahmanas to feed them. King also invited so many Brahmanas, and he satisfied all the Brahmanas who arrived at his house. He gave in charity 60 crores of cows, whose horns were covered with gold plate. And he was a king, King Kendu, and whose hooves were covered with silver plate. Horns were covered with gold, and hooves were covered with silver. This type of cows he donated in charity. After giving these cows, the king first sumptuously fed all the brahmanas, and when they were fully satisfied, he was about to observe the end of Ekadashi with their permission. What is the tradition? That after observing the Ekadashi fasting on the day of Dvadashi, what we should do? Before opening the fast, what we should do? We should do lot of charity. Charity dan, the donation. We should donate. What king was doing na? He donated so many cows. Ex- Exactly at that time, however, Durvasa Muni, the great and powerful mystic, appeared on the scene as an uninvited guest. King has not invited Muni Durvasa, but since it was the day of Dwadashi and king was observing fasting, Durvasa Muni came. After standing up, and king was very much noble king. He was a noble king. After standing up to receive Durvasa Muni, King Amrish offered him a seat. This is a sign of noble person, that whenever somebody comes to your home, what we should do? We should offer a seat. आसन देना चाहिए बैठने के लिए. And if we don't have anything, then at least we should offer water. But he was a king, he has everything to offer. King Amrish offered him a seat. Hare Krishna. Please go on mute. And paraphernalia of worship. Then sitting at his feet, the king requested the great sage to eat. When somebody comes to our home, what we do? We offer some food and ask them to eat first. We are not eating first, na? We eat. Yes, Nitish, you want to?
Mataji will say in Hindi that Aditi Devo Bhava. Is it true? Like the same
Yes,
thing is following?
very true. Yes, yes. Atithi Devo Bhava. Like in Hindi it is called Atithi Devo Bhava. जो गेस्ट होता है वो क्या होता है? भगवान होता है. दुर्वासा मुनि ग्लैडली एक्सेप्टेड. अतिथि का मीनिंग ही है जिसके आने की कोई तिथि ना हो. तो दुर्वासा मुनि विदाउट एनी इनविटेशन, without any information, he came, and king welcomed him because he was Atithi, and we follow the culture of Atithi Devo Bhava. Durvasa Muni gladly accepted the request of Maharaja Ambrish, but to perform the regulative ritualistic ceremonies, he went to the river Yamuna. There he dipped into the water of the auspicious Yamuna and meditated upon the impersonal Brahma. He started meditation there. After taking a dip in the Yamuna Ji, after taking a bath, what he started doing? He started doing meditation. In the meantime, only a muhurat. There is always a muhurat to open the fasting of Ekadashi. Katika, are you sleeping?
No, Mataji.
Okay.
I'm doing meditation.
Oh, nice. In the meantime, only a muhurat of the Dwadashi day was left on which to break the fast. Fast breaking का एक मुहूर्त होता है, and people try to break their fast on that Muhurat only. So King Durvasa went for bath, and there he started meditation. And here what is happening in the palace? Ambrish Maharaj is waiting impatiently for King Durvasa to return back. So why? So that he can break his fast. In this dangerous situation, the king consulted learned Brahmanas that the Muhurat is going on. It will soon over. And the king said, to transgress the laws of respectful behavior toward the Brahmanas is certainly a great offense. And he is very learned person. So he told that if he eats before Durvasa Muni, it will be very disrespectful. It is not right that I should eat before the Durvasa Rishi. Muni has come to my palace as a guest. Now I should wait for him. So he is waiting. On the other hand, if one does not observe the breaking of the fast within the time of Dwadashi, there is a flaw in one's observance of the vow. उनका vow जो है that I will break my fast on the day of Dwadashi, that will break. Therefore, O Brahmanas, if you think that it will be auspicious and not irreligious, I shall break the fast by drinking water. He is taking permission from the Brahmanas, senior Brahmanas, asking senior people that can I do this? That I will drink little water so that I can break my fast, and then I will eat when Durvasa Muni comes. The king reached this decision, for according to Brahminical opinion, drinking water may be accepted as eating and also as not eating. So Brahmanas, senior devotees, senior Vaishnavas advised the king that you can do this. Drink some water and then wait for Durvasa Muni. After executing the ritualistic ceremonies to be performed at noon, Durvasa returned from the bank of Yamuna. After doing all the rituals, Durvasa Muni came. The king received him well, offering all respects, but Durvasa Muni, by his mystic power, could understand that King Amrish had drunk water without his permission. Maharaj, and he told Maharaj Amrish, told angrily, Maharaj Amrish, you have invited me to eat as a guest, but instead of feeding me, you yourself have eaten first. Because of your misbehavior, I shall show you something to punish. Now Durvasa Muni, in all anger, he is ready to punish King Maharaj Amrish. Taking a trident in his hand and making the surface of the earth tremble with his footsteps, that blazing creature came before Maharaj Amrish. But the king, upon seeing him, was not at all disturbed and did not move even slightly from his position. दुर्वासा मुनि ने क्या किया, अपना जो भाला रहता है ना उसको जमीन में मारा और some form of person came out, and it was so dangerous, but King Amrish, because he was devotee of Lord, was not at all afraid of him, because he knew that I am devotee of Lord, this person cannot harm me. As fire in the forest immediately burns to ashes an angry snake, So, by the previous order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his disc, the Sudarshan Chakra, immediately burned to ashes the created demon. क्या हुआ? जो demon दुर्वासा ऋषि ने क्रिएट किया था ना महाराज को मारने के लिए, वो क्या हुआ? वो डिस्क जो था सुदर्शन चक्र जो भगवान ने अम्बरीश महाराज को दिया था, वो आ गया उनकी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए। और उसने 1 मिनट में क्या किया? उस डीमन को मार दिया। Upon seeing that his own attempt had failed and that the Sudarshan Chakra was moving towards him. Now what did the Sudarshan did? Sudarshan started following. Who has created this demon? Who has created?
Durvasa Muni.
Durvasa Muni. And now the chakra is following Durvasa Muni. Upon seeing that his own attempt had failed and that the Sudarshan chakra was moving towards him, Durvasa Muni became very frightened and began to run in all directions because he knew that this Sudarshan is very powerful. Correct?
Yes,
What
Mataji.
happened? Durvasa Muni started running in all the direction to save himself. Let's see what happens now. As the blazing flames of the forest fire pursue a snake, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है ये कि जैसे कि एक अजगर भाग रहा हो और जो जंगल की आग जो होती है ना बहुत तेजी से फैलती है। फॉरेस्ट फायर स्प्रेड्स वेरी फास्ट, तो फास्ट का एग्जाम्पल दिया है कि एज द forest fire, the disk of the Supreme Personality of Godhead began following Durvasa Muni. दुर्वासा मुनि भाग रहे हैं आगे आगे और भगवान का सुदर्शन पीछे पीछे। Durvasa Muni saw that the disk was almost touching his back and thus he ran very swiftly, desiring to enter a cave of Sumeru mountain. And now what happened? Nobody can save. Nobody can save. Durvasa Muni fled everywhere, in all directions, in the sky, on the surface of the earth, in caves, in the ocean, on different planets of the rulers of the 3 worlds. In all the 3 worlds he went. He immediately saw following him the unbearable fire of the Sudarshan Chakra. But Sudarshan is following him. Why? Because this Durvasa Muni has hurt the devotee of the Lord. Devotee of the Lord is so powerful. With a fearful heart, Durvasa Muni went here, there, seeking shelter. Then where he went? He went to first Brahmaji. Lord Brahma said, at the end of the... Then I will... finish fast. So then he went, when Durvasa, who was greatly afflicted by the blazing fire of the Sudarshan Chakra, was thus refused by Lord Brahma. He went to Brahmaji. Brahmaji refused. I cannot do anything. This is Lord's Chakra. He only can save you. He tried to take shelter of Lord Shiva, who always resides on his planet known as Kailasha. But what happened now? Even Shiva also denied. Shiva said, my dear son, Lord Brahma, we all cannot save you from this furious chakra. Thereafter, being disappointed even in taking shelter of Lord Shiva, Durvasa Muni went to Vaikuntha Dham, where the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, resides with his consort, the goddess of fortune, Lakshmi Devi. Where he went, Lakshmi Narayan are sitting, and then Vaikuntha Dham. Then there he went. Durvasa Muni, the great mystic, scorched by the heat of the Sudarshan Chakra, fell at the lotus feet of Narayana. his body trembling, he spoke as follows: O infallible, unlimited Lord, protector of the entire universe, you are the only desirable objective for all devotees. I am a great offender, my Lord. Please give me protection. O my Lord, O Supreme Controller, without knowledge of your unlimited prowess, I have offended your most dear devotee. Very kindly save me from the reaction of this offense. You can do everything, for even if a person is fit for going to hell, you can deliver him simply by awakening within his heart the holy name of your Lordship. How Lord can protect anybody? By awakening his name. Holy name of Lord can protect anybody. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said to the Brahmana, I am completely under the control of my devotees. Lord is under the control of devotees.
Devotees.
Indeed, I am not at all independent because my devotees are completely devoid of material desires. I sit only within the cores of their hearts. What to speak of my devotee? Even those who are devotees of my devotee are very dear to me. O best of the Brahmanas, without saintly persons for whom I am the only destination, I do not desire to enjoy my transcendental bliss and my supreme opulences. So he advised, Hare Krishna, he advised Durvasa Muni to go into the feet of Amrish Maharaj and ask forgiveness from his pure devotee Amrish Maharaj. He told, if Amrish Maharaj forgives you, I will forgive you. I cannot forgive a person who has committed offended, who has offended my true devotee. So Durvasa Muni went to Ambrish Maharaj, asked forgiveness, and then Durvasa Muni was saved from Sudarshan Chakra.
Chakra.
Sudarshan then went back to
Please.
Ambrish Maharaj, where he was kept as a protection shield for Ambrish Maharaj. So if you want to have that shield, that protection, what we should do? Follow the footsteps of Amrish Maharaj. What Amrish Maharaj was doing?
He used to use every body part for the God only. Eyes for watching, mm, mouth for chanting, ear for listening, nose for smelling the flowers, tongue for tasting the tulsi leaves, legs for traveling in the holy places.
Beautiful, beautiful, Kartika. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Have you written everything? In your heart only? So nicely you listened. Haribol. Big Haribol for Kartika. So today you have learned all the things what you should do to get that beautiful shield. God is going to protect you from all the dangers. Life is always dangerous, na? Anything can happen anytime. So,
Mataji, your voice is breaking.
yes, Hare Krishna. So here we will wind up our session of story. Haribol, big Haribol for all the dear children. Okay.